Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great one out there. You know I am, because check it out. Look at where I am, guys. I'm at the Bowling Green Assembly Plant here in Bowling Green, Kentucky. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you guys some of the vehicles that the employees are able to drive here to the assembly plant every day. These guys are super lucky, guys, super lucky. All right, guys, first up, check this out. We have a Z06 Eray, guys, in this gorgeous red mist metallic paint. Look at this, guys. Wow. Red mist metallic. I gotta say, guys, it looks good on the Eray as well. Wow. This is gorgeous, guys. Gorgeous. Let's check out these wheels. It's got these nice polished wheels. Obviously, it comes with the carbon ceramic brake package. It has the edge red calipers. Like I showed you guys before, the Eray script. It has a body colored red mist inlet. Body colored mirrors. Carbon flash metallic Corvette emblem. It has a natural dipped interior, and it has a level 2 carbon fiber. And this is a 3LZ hard top convertible, guys. Wow. And you gotta love it. Like I always say, I love this combination, how it has the nacelles in the carbon flash and the roof in the carbon flash color. Nice. Oh, guys, look at this. Next up, look at this, guys. We have a white Z06 with the Z07 package. OMG, guys. Wow. This is like Corvette heaven. Absolutely Corvette heaven. Wow. Look at the carbon fiber wheels. Oh my God. It looks amazing. I believe this is the first time, guys, I've ever seen the carbon fiber wheels in person. Look at this. Look at that carbon fiber, guys. It looks amazing. It's got the edge red calipers. Wow, look at this, guys. Has the carbon fiber front splitter. Carbon flash Corvette emblem.
What's your name again?
My name's Ray Terrio.
Has the white interior.
I do, but I'm not passing out my contact information.
Okay.
And it has the red seat belts. Has a carbon flash roof. Carbon flash nacelles. And it is a hard top convertible, guys. And take a look at the air inlet. It is carbon flash as well. And it has a Z06 script. And guys, you can't forget this gorgeous carbon fiber Z07 package wing with carbon arrow right there on the side. Wow, what a gorgeous car. And then right next to this C8 Z06 with the Z07 package is a red mist metallic C8 Z06 with the Z07 package. But with this one, you have the carbon flash racing stripe that goes all the way back. Wow. It's got the nice carbon flash front splitter. It's got the carbon flash dive planes. And this one, guys, has the carbon fiber wheels, but they're the painted carbon flash carbon fiber wheels. Obviously, it's a Z07 equipped car, so it does have the carbon ceramic brake package. It has a silver brake caliper. It's got the nice Z06 side skirt. And it has the body colored inlet. Check out the Z06 script. And it has this huge carbon flash, guys, rear wing. And it also has carbon arrow on the side of it. So if you look at these two cars, guys, this is a C8, a Z06 with the Z07 package. with the carbon fiber wing. This one is the C8 Z06 with the Z07 package with the carbon flash wing. Gorgeous, guys. But look at the metallic. Look at the metallic on this car. And this obviously, guys, is the hardtop convertible as well. Man, what a gorgeous car. Gorgeous car. Remember, guys, if you like this content, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below. Lots of footage to come. Let's walk over here to the other side of the lot and see what they have. To give you guys a quick shot of the actual front main building for the assembly plant. Check that out, guys. It says Bowling Green. Welcome to Bowling Green Assembly. Wow, that's pretty cool. And it has the C8 silhouette on it as well. But yeah, let's walk over here, guys. Let's walk over here. Let's see what we got over here. Come on. Let's check it out. Let's check it out, guys. So you got some of the engineers and actual plant workers. This is their parking right here, guys. Check it out. Nice. Nice, guys. Let's check this out. We have a torch red C8 Stingray. Nice. Nice, guys. Huge 4GR wheels. Nice. High wing. I don't want to walk too much around this car. This is actually someone's vehicle. But yeah, high wing. It's got the black roof, or it may be the smoke roof. Nice, huge wheels. It's got the 5EM carbon flash front splitter, 5EM side skirt. Nice. Carbon flash right there on the inlet. And as I said before, yeah, it's got the high wing. And next to it, check this out, guys. Wow, we have an orange C7 Grand Sport. Beautiful car, guys. Gorgeous. Carbon flash hood stinger, carbon flash front splitter, side skirt. Wow, gorgeous car. And next to it, we have this beautiful silver C6 Corvette, chrome wheels, black roof. Nice. Wow, beautiful car, beautiful. Check out the sign there, guys. General Motors with the new GM script. Bowling Green Assembly Plant. UAW Local 2164. Come on. Check this out, guys. Wow, look at this, bro. This is the new Sea Wolf Gray color, guys. And this is a Stingray. Wow, nice. Man, I love this color. It looks amazing. And you can see the metallic in the paint, guys. Check that out. Wow. Nice. It's a little bit dirty, but yeah, it looks amazing. Carbon flash Corvette emblem. Nice. Is this a Z51 equipped car? Yes. You can see it right there on the edge red brake calipers. Yeah, so this is a Z51 equipped Stingray. Beautiful. And next to it, we have the king of the hill right now, guys. Right now, king of the hill. C8 Z06 with the Z07 package. Gorgeous, guys. In Sea Wolf Gray. Check it out. It has the front splitter removed. Wow, man. It's got the nice die planes on it. It's got the black wheels, red calipers. But this vehicle does not have the carbon ceramic brakes. So this is probably not a Z07 package equipped Z06. This is probably a car that you could order. A lot of people were asking me, can you get an actual Corvette Z06 without the full Z07 package? And you can, guys. You can order the front splitter, you can have the dive planes, everything. You can have the high wing in the back. You don't have to get the carbon ceramic brake package. You don't have to. You still get the nice Z06 side skirts. And this is a coupe. So it has a black air intake plenums, but man, what a gorgeous car. They've got the black center exiting exhaust. Wow, gorgeous high wing. Nice. Oh, but check this out, guys. This wing does not have the arrow script on it. That's different. Wow. I wonder if that's because it's not a full Z06 with the Z07 package. I don't know. I have to ask someone that. Let me look at the inside. It is, I can't tell, but it's probably a 2LZ is what I'm thinking. And the reason I say that is because I can't see. Yes, it is a 2LZ. It does not have the stitching around the airbag. So yeah, guys, nice. Wow. All right, guys, that's it for the video here at the assembly plant. But don't worry, I'll have plenty of footage tomorrow. So stay tuned for more content. Don't forget, guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that thumbs up button. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell notification so you can be notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys in the next upload. Stay safe out there. Peace. Keep watching Gary's Rides. Where you going? Keep watching Gary's Rides. Keep watching Gary's Rides.